Welcome guys to yet another Cookinglish class. Today we'll be making some absolutely delicious hamburgers, but with a twist. And let's have a look at some of these twists. We have our meat, which is a mix between pork and beef, 50%. We have our onions, we have our garlic, we have salt, some white pepper, we have an egg, we have the mustard, Worcestershire sauce, which some people call parents sauce, and we have a slice of bread, and lastly some milk. So let's do it.
Start by cutting the crusts off the bread and then soaking them in the milk while you prepare the other ingredients. We then cut the onions and garlic before blending them up into a puree or paste. Don't forget the salt. Crack open the egg and beat this until completely mixed.
So as you can see, so far, really easy. And now all we need to do is bring everything together and then let it rest for half an hour.
This is the part where the magic happens. All these wonderful ingredients meet and it's love at first sight. It's a match made in heaven, which becomes an incredibly delicious and flavoursome hamburger patty in just 1 hour.
And that's pretty much it. All we need to do now is just cover this, put it into the fridge for 1 hour, and then we're ready to cook. So the hamburger meat has been marinating in the fridge for 1 hour. So now there are only 3 more things that we need to do. Shape it, cook it, and you know what the last one is.
Using your hands, shape the burger to approximately the same size as a hamburger bun, and on the high heat, sear both sides.
So the hamburger is cooked on the outside only. So what we're going to do to finish the cooking, we're going to cook it in the oven for approximately 8 minutes.
In the meantime, we prepare our salad and other toppings that you wish to include in the hamburger.
I have my own hamburger buns which I made earlier today, and if you're interested in learning how to make these buns, then click on the link up here and you'll see all the secrets. Okay, so now that the hamburger is ready, all we need to do is assemble.
Start with the salad and build this baby as high as you can. By the way, this is so tasty that you won't be needing any extra sauce.
So there people, you have possibly the best hamburger you will ever eat in your life. I hope you enjoyed the class and I look forward to seeing you again real soon. Bye bye.